we got our lithium jump starter. Yeah. So actually for this lithium jump starter, we got a full series from the smaller one and to a big one, and also we got another even bigger one with 18,000 milliampere battery inside. Yeah.
This is the smallest one. It's very light. Yeah, the volume is very small. I think it's smaller than my phone.
Yeah, it's even smaller than your phone. Yeah. So because the lithium battery jump starter is becoming very popular currently, and compared with the traditional lead acid battery jump starter, it is light and small volume. So that's why the customers like this product, because it's very convenient for girls like us, for the women to use this, because it is too heavy for women to handle that lead acid battery.
Yes.
So I would like to introduce from the outlook of this battery, of this jump starter. So first we got the 2 input ports. That is for the charging. Yeah. So normally when the jump starter is out of power, we need to charge this jump starter. So we got several ways to charge our jump starter. So first is use the Type-C port. So we got a USB cable together with our jump starter. So you can charge your jump starter with the USB cable.
Yeah.
And another is the cigarette lighter. So you can charge your jump starter when you are in your car. Just plug into this socket.
Okay.
And another way for charging the jump starter is using the adapter. Here we also got an adapter, so you can also charge your jump starter. So we totally got 3 ways to charge your jump starter.
That's really great. You know, when we lost the adapter, we have 2 other ways to have charge the battery.
Yeah. And even not only when you at home or you are in the car, you don't need to worry it is out of power. You can charge your jump starter immediately. And next is for the output port. We got a cigarette lighter output. This is for some application with the cigarette lighter adapter.
Also connect to some DC applicants, right?
Yes, correct. And here is the on-off button to control the LCD screen.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So when we press the on-off button, it will display the voltage and also a small icon to display the battery power.
Yeah. Okay.
And it will shut off automatically if there is no output to save power.
Great.
And here on this head plate, we got 2 USB ports. So you can charge your phones with the USB cable.
Yeah, maybe we can try that.
Yeah, we can try this, how to charge your phone. So connect the USB port. And
this is Type-C.
Yeah, this is Type-C. So you can use this. This is Type-C. Connect to your phone.
Oh yeah.
And now we need to press the on-off button to provide power. So
it's charging now.
Yeah, it's charging now. So press the on-off button to turn off.
I noticed there are 3 connectors here, right? To meet different phone needs.
Yeah, it's suitable for different types of applications.
Yeah, this
for
can
your phones, for your computers.
This connect can applicable to the iPhone. Yeah, right.
Yeah, quite great. And also here we got the emergency light. Yeah. So let me show you how to turn on our emergency light.
Okay.
We press the on-off button for a few seconds.
A few seconds, yeah.
Yeah. For a few seconds, then it is turned on. It's solid light, and press again. It's a dark light. Press again. Slow flash.
Yeah.
Fast flash. And the SOS. And you press the off button again. It's turned off. So totally we got 5 patterns of this emergency light.
Yeah.
So if the customers want to stay in one pattern, they just press the on-off button for a few seconds, and then if, for example, they want to stay in dark light,
so now is the...
they just do not press the on-off button again.
Stay in this pattern,
Yes, it will stay in this pattern. And on the such situation, if you press the on-off button again, it will turn off.
Yes. Okay. So this is the Lithium Jump Starters. Now you know many customers want to buy this kind of products, but you know lithium maybe not very safe, I think. So do you have any certificate on it?
Yes, actually we got the EMC and the LVD certificate for this jump starter. It is very safe because we know lithium battery is very active.
Okay.
So we to make sure the customers they use safely, we built in several safety protection inside this jump starter and also inside our smart clamp.
Okay.
Yes. So maybe I can show you guys our safety protection now.
Okay.
So first, here is the jump starter port. So you guys may notice this different design.
Why you design like this? Different shape,
different shape is around this one. This side is straight.
Okay.
Actually, also we got a special design also on our smart clamp. It's easy for the customers to connect to the jump starter. Make sure they connect right one time. So after connect the clamp, you can see the LED screen is blinking now. It's flash. Now means the jump starter is conducted.
Okay.
So
what's this? It's very big here.
Because we built the protection inside.
Protection. So how many protection do you have for this kind of product?
Actually, we got several different safety protections. Let me introduce one by one. Maybe. So first we got the over temperature protection because you know when we try to use this jump starter to start the car, the battery inside will get warmer and warmer. If you start for several times, the temperature will increase. So we set a value inside the circuit. And so make sure if it is over temperature, the jump starter can shut off automatically to keep safe. Because you know if it is in a very higher temperature, the jump starter will, maybe the lithium battery will swell. Not safe. And next is for the reverse polarity protection. Because sometimes there are some customers they cannot detect which is the positive terminal and which is the negative terminal. So we got the reverse polarity protection. So maybe you can try.
Okay.
So with the positive, the red go to the negative.
What will happen? Oh, it's alarming, right?
It's alarming, and the LED light, the color turns to red, and it's flash, and also you can hear the audio alarm. So that means it's a wrong connection.
Remind the customers to connect correctly.
Yes, and also we got the short circuit protection because when you take this jump starter, maybe it's accidentally, you got short circuit. So we also got the protection for short circuit. It's same indication of reverse polarity protection.
Okay, got it.
And also, if the battery is in a low voltage, it cannot jump start the car. We also have a low voltage protection. If it is over voltage, that means if the customers connected to a 24-volt battery, because you know such situation always happens, because some customers that do not know the battery type of their car, maybe it is a 24-volt battery, but they don't know because our jump starter is for a 12-volt battery, but they don't know their car is a 24-volt. So in this case, they connected to the wrong battery and we also got the protection for that.
Okay,
Because
good.
you know, a 24-volt battery, the voltage is higher than our 12-volt battery.
Yeah.
If we do not have such protection, it will damage our jump starter. Yeah.
So this jump starter cannot start 24 volt or 6 volt battery.
No, it can only start 12 volts.
Okay.
Because 24 volts, if no
Too big,
protection.
yeah.
Yeah, if no protection, it's really dangerous. It even can cause this jump starter explode.
Yes.
And also, we got some other protections. For example, the rapid recharge. After you started the cars, it will the car battery voltage is increased, and on such situation there will be a big current go back to the jump starter. It will recharge the jump starter, and also we got the rapid recharge protection for this jump starter.
They're really great.
And
So-
also some other functions, some other protections such as the overtime protection. For example, if you connected the jump starter to your cars, but you did not did not jump starter for let's say over 2 minutes,
Oh, yeah.
there is no operation. On such situation, it is always consume the power of the jump starter. So if there is no operation over 2 minutes, the jump starter will automatically disconnect it.
Okay, great. So you know now, consumers sometimes, for me, I think, yeah, sometimes we bring it to the flight. So what capacity for this? And you know that some flights have regulation that this need to be below 100 watt hour, I think. So what about this one?
So for this one, the battery capacity is 44.4 watt hour.
Oh,
so
yeah.
it is okay to bring with you when you travel by air.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it is really safe, and also for this product we got the UN 38.3 certificate. So it can be also dispatched to you by ship. Yeah.
Oh, great.
We got a full certification for this jump starter.
Okay, so when we pack in the luggage, and you know some power bank, the jump starter will have, when you charge it accidentally, what will happen? I don't know if you have any protection for this.
Yeah, you got just this is a very good question because we got another special function.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's a travel log function. Yeah, because sometimes when you pack this in your luggage, you will touch it the on-off button accidentally.
Yeah.
So under this situation, the jump starter is on, it will consume the power. So we got a travel log function. So before you pack to your bag, and you do not want to use this now, you can press the on-off button for about 8 seconds
Okay.
to start on the travel log function to lock this jump starter. So even if you touch the on-off button accidentally, it cannot start. Yeah. So after, for example, you arrived at some place, you want to use this jump starter, so you can press the on-off button for another 8 seconds. Yeah.
So
the
to
lock
unlock the travel.
Yeah, it will restore.
Okay, great. So I think you introduced many functions for this product and many protection for it. So I think we can start the car.
Yeah, it's time to show the functions of this
great.
jump starter. The main function is jump start. Yeah.
Okay.
Because this is a 44.4 watt hour battery, so and our car is a 2-liter car, so it's easy to start the car. So maybe let's show you guys. This
So how large liters this jump starter can jump start?
This one can jump start gasoline cars up to 4 liter.
4 liter. Okay, great.
And also at the same time, we would like to show you guys another 2 functions of this battery tester.
It's alternator and starter function, right?
Yes. So first, let us to connect the clamp to the car battery.
Yeah, please show how to use it.
Yeah, so first you need to connect the clamp to the jump starter first, and then connect the clamp to the car terminal. So the red go to the positive.
Let me help you.
Yes, thanks.
你先讲那个，讲这里应该可以啊。Okay.
The negative
To the carburetor or engine,
Yes. So now you can say the light it turns to the solid on. So that means you can this jump starter is already conducted. It's ready to jump start now.
Okay.
So you can jump start. And now let's set the battery test.
Yeah, make sure the tester
Make
firmly.
sure, connect firmly. Yeah. So press the end button to go to the starter tester.
It's time for me.
Yes. Please do me the favor.
Okay. Give me a sign when you were prepared.
Yes. So it's okay to start the car now.
Let me start.
Okay, thanks. Here you guys can have a look. We got the starter test results. It shows the starter needs to be repaired. And also, you can have a look here. We got the light is already turned to the flash. Already turned to flash after you started the car. That means it's already disconnected.
Yeah, great.
And later, let me show you the alternator test function. Select the alternator test function. And now please reset. Okay. Thanks for Emily. So maybe now you can turn off the car. Yeah.
Okay.
So here we also got the alternator test result. It shows the alternator is in good situation and got the voltage. So you can also print the test result when you press the print button.
Okay, this is a very detailed introduction for the functions. They're really great. Yeah, thank you, Vivi.
Yes, and after you finish all the tests and finish jump starter, what you need to do is take off the clamp. But for the jump starter, we need to disconnect the clamp with the jump starter first to make sure there is no power.
Yeah, it's a safe way.
Yeah, it's a safe way to make sure there is no power on the clamp.
Then take off the clamp.
Yeah.